Hello guys, this side Kunal from BackDroid.com. This video is answering your burning question, which is, will my alarm go off on DND or not? So here I am answering the exact same question. For this I am setting an alarm of after 2 minutes, like 57, and then we will turn on the do not disturb mode. So as you can see, it shows ring in 2 minutes. So here I am enabling the do not disturb mode. As you can see, like I have enabled. So as you can see, silence all the rings, turn off the vibration aspect for certain allowed items, alarm, ringtone and timer. So let's just turn it on, and placing the device in 1 minute it will ring or not, you would get to know about it. So let's wait. So if you haven't know who we are backdroid.com, a website that solves users query. So I will show you here. As you can see, backdroid.com. So do remember it, and let's see if it rings in. By the way, how's your day, guys? I'm very curious to know. Let me know in the comments here. So as you can see, the device is on DND, but it still rings. As you can see right here, and the ringtone too. Let me check the camera. Nothing happens. So well, guys, this is all you need to know. Sorry for that, but thank you.